This is one of the last remaining workshops in the Netherlands still using traditional Delft Blue pottery techniques.
We are here to find out more about the unique creation of a renowned audacious designer and a master artisan who continues to employ the time-honored know-how dating back to the 17th century.
As a small girl, Wilma Placier already dreamt about working with Delft Blue. She started 17 years ago, and today she is one of the last remaining master painters practicing this traditional craft. The antique Dutch pottery was originally inspired by Chinese porcelain, but eventually the unique colour brought international acclaim.
The paint that we use contains cobalt oxide, and cobalt oxide is black in its original shape when you find it in the ground. And when you fire it approximately 1200 degrees Celsius, it changes color and it turns into blue.
The product is completely handmade, and the designs only ever feature the blue tones, incorporating several different shades. In order to marry the traditional craft with modern design, the master painter has teamed up with well-known Dutch product designer Marcel Wanders to create something unique.
When I worked with Marcel on this piece, he actually sculpted the different sections of the project by hand. So I had every individual piece on my table, and every piece was different. And you just look at the piece, and then you're looking, where can I accentuate the really pretty part, or where can I make my design flow with the lines that he already created in bending or turning the clay.
We met with a renowned designer in Amsterdam just after he finished the artwork in his studio before it goes on display at the Homo Faber exhibition in Venice.
Welcome. Welcome to Amsterdam.
Marcel Wanders, who's best known for his audacious designs, has previously worked on a number of projects dedicated to the traditional craft.
If I work with Delft Blue, I put something very raw in place of it, next to some things that are very polite and beautiful. I think it's beautiful if there's this raw energy and this refined energy, and they come together, like you see in this work.
The creation is a 1-minute piece, a signature design of Marcel Wanders. He formed the separate parts by hand in just 1 minute. This can be seen in the juxtaposition between the top and the bottom of the design. A traditional painting style and modern shape has been used on the base, while the upper part has been created using a traditional mould and has contemporary painting.
Well, Delft Blue for me is super important because it is national. It's like it's my team. It's my uncles, it's my aunts that have made it for hundreds of years. So obviously, you know, my mom used to have one, and of course nobody liked it. I liked it. So it is my culture that I can embrace.
The creation is one of the original artworks, which will be displayed at the Homo Faber exhibition, a major event organised by the Michelangelo Foundation and held in Venice in September, dedicated to European craftsmanship.